Here it is, guys. Box from Gary, Fleer EX 0607. About to bust this one live, so I'll get it started. Pack number 1. So like it's base, 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 and base. Crappy filler. Pack number 2. Wade base, Shaq base, McGrady base, Gasol base, Kobe base, and another crappy filler. Okay, base, Elton Brand, Jermaine O'Neal, Yao Ming, Jason Richardson, and a denim brown rookie, numbered 79 of 899. And that's hit number 1. There should be 3 or 4 hits per box. Nash base, Iverson base, Howard base, Marbury base, and second hit is a Bobby Jones auto, numbered 5 of 899. Next pack, looks like it's all base again. Chris Paul base, Jason Kidd base, Vince Carter base, Kevin Garnett, Andrew Bogut. Should be another 1 or 2 hits left. Looks like I have the next hit. We have Baron Davis base, Ben Wallace, Chauncey Billups, Carmelo Anthony, and Danny Granger. It's not numbered. This is a crappy sticker auto though. Final 2 packs. So like we have the last hit, we have a Vince Carter base and an Elton Brand 3-color patch, which is pretty neat. It's numbered, I don't know if you can see that. It's 30 of 75. Though I think he's done for the hits, so I'm assuming the last pack is all base. And it's Jason Terry, Dirk Nowitzki, LeBron James, Ben Gordon, and Jordan. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and thanks again to Gary for the box. Peace.